So the last time you guys saw me was on December 31st with this video when I laid out my whole plan for 2026. And it's already January 8th and I haven't posted a single video. So you guys might be thinking, did Red quit trading? No, I actually just haven't taken a single trade in 2026 until today. I have been live streaming every single trading day this year, but I just didn't see a setup, or when I did put in an order, the market just went ahead without me and never filled me in. Well, that finally changed today. I was able to finally take my first trade ever in 2026 later in the afternoon today. And my very first trade of 2026 was a loss. Well, actually, it was two losses back to back because I took the initial short trade and then I got stopped out on my reverse long immediately after. But before we dive into the trades and watch me get chopped up, I have some good news for you guys. I have a bunch of 50K Lucid Flex and Lucid Pro evaluations to give away. I'm going to give away one account per week for the next 4 weeks, and I'm also going to do one of the giveaways specifically on my Discord. So make sure you join with the link below in the description if you aren't in there yet. I've been meaning to start this on Monday, but I just didn't get a chance to make a video for obvious reasons. But better late than never, right? So for this specific giveaway in this video, I'll be giving away one 50K Lucid Flex evaluation account. All you have to do to enter is to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys have already used the code RDT to sign up for a Lucid account, I really appreciate the support. So please comment RDT below so I can see how many people were able to take advantage of the discounts. But if you haven't used the code yet, that is totally fine too. So just comment anything like new here or just subscribed and you'll be entered just the same. I want to be clear that I don't want anyone to think that they have to pay to win or using the code gives you better odds, because it doesn't. So everyone has the same fair shot regardless of which comment you leave. I'll announce the winner on my live stream 1 week from today, which will be January 15th. You don't have to be there to win, but I'll be picking the winner live with the random comment picker on this video. I'll obviously filter out any duplicate comments, so all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and just comment once whatever you want. Check the description below for all of the rules and details. And despite being a little late to the party for trading in 2026, I really appreciate everybody's support and viewership, and I'm really excited about this year already. Anyway, let's get back to the two trades I took today. Here's what happened. So I am still short biased here, just waiting for more confirmation. If I do end up going short, my entry is going to be 69.54 and 50 cents, which is basically this level. So if I go short, I'm going to wait for a retest of this level and then eventually dump. We'll see if that happens. Man, it does look like it's going to go without me, which happens often now, so I might not get filled in here. It does look like I'm going to go short here, 69.54 and 50 cents. Oh my god, what is this bounce? Always like the last second before I'm about to enter, this happens. Alright, this is going to be a close one again, so I'm watching. I'm watching to see if I'm going to enter. It's a close one. I'm going to be entered for sure. Alright, I'm in.
Order filled.
But I might get tagged out pretty soon here, right off the bat. Let me just set up for a reversal. We're getting rejection here, but we still have 30 seconds left. I just want to make sure that I'm ready for a reverse trade here. Okay, perfect. Nice little rejection candle. But it still needs to close pretty strong. This is not bad at all, but I do want to see follow through after this. If it goes up after this, then I might be cooked. Yeah, it's going back up. Yeah, that's not so good. Yeah, I might have to get ready for a reverse trade here. Let's see how far this candle pushes. Yeah, I'm gonna get tagged out here, guys. It's always bad news if I get that rejection candle and then it keeps pushing up. Not a good sign. Yeah, strong bullish close. I'm gonna be tagged out right here, I bet. Alright,
Stop
I'm out.
filled.
I am out, guys. Let's see if I'm gonna take this reverse trade here. Alright, everything looks okay so far. Alright, taking my reverse long right here. Obviously, if I get stopped out here, then I'm done for the day. Finally took my first trade of the year, and it was a loss. We'll see if I can recover it here. Looks like I'm getting tagged. Alright, I'm in.
Order filled.
Alright, let's get a bounce. See a bounce here? Oh, I don't see a bounce. Looks pretty weak. Yeah, I'm not getting a bounce into the close here. We're still dropping. Yeah, this is not good. Oh no, it's dropping. Yep, I think I got faked out here, guys. Okay, we gotta push up? Nope. I think if it was gonna bounce, it would have bounced by now. But we're staying here way too long. Not a good sign. We have 30 seconds left, but it's still early. We still have 30 seconds left for this candle to close bearish, so I don't have a lot of hope here. Yeah, it's selling off. Selling off there into the close. I guess my entry is like the resistance now. Not a good sign here, guys. Let's see how it closes. 5 seconds left. Yeah, it could go either way, but I think it's still bearish. I think it's over. Yeah, it would have gone by now if it was gonna keep going higher, right? But it's slowly bleeding.
Stop filled.
I'm done, guys. That was a good try. First trade of the year was a loss, and my personal daily loss limit hit. But I followed my plan, and it just didn't work out today. That's all right. Yeah, so not exactly the ideal result I wanted, considering I waited 8 days into the new year just to take a bunch of losses. But I followed the plan, and I can't really control the result. At least I got to get the ball moving officially for the new year. But I'm not gonna lie, when I was taking these two trades, I felt a bit rusty trying to remember how to trade with my levels and managing all the different buttons. But 2026 has officially started for me, and let's see what this month brings. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. If you want to see more of my videos, click on the video popping up right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow.